How to download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your app store. On your app store, you will need to search for this app. To search for it, head over to the search bar on the bottom right and then search for Mixy Mash app. So here you'll find it, Mixy Make Mashups. So open that up. So this is the app right here. You can see what you can do with it. You can mash up beats and vocals. You can, share your music anywhere that you want from here. And yeah, if you are you know, if you are into DJs, you can actually use this to create your own mix-ups and stuff. So yeah, to download it, simply tap on this button right here. You might see the get button instead of that. Tap on get and install, and it'll start downloading like this. And that's basically how you download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.